It's on. Sinal. Good morning! It's jegging time! Today we are in Tiwi again after long time. No fishing, no jigging. We are with Mr. Lamborghini, Dario, Frank, and SB, our boatman, Mr. Mosen, #1 boatman. Let's go! We're only at 30 meters deep. We'll try this, our new jig, Shimano Osea Flat Light 80 grams. We'll drop this one, Shimano 80 grams. Oh.
Video bro, video. Ano, magbaba ako?
Hindi lang. I don't know. Huh? Wait.
Ay, hindi pala yung tautiga.
Hindi ka mababaw eh. Nag-late ako eh.
Yan mo lang i-banda.
Sige. Eh. Baka ano lang dito, amberjack.
Amberjack yan bro.
Oo. Strike on the drop. Oh, we are about to change spot. Umiyak din ang stradic natin. Maybe 20 meters more. Yeah. 10 meters. Yeah. Oh, Shari. Dito pre. Laking Shari. Yakin na pre. Big Shari. Emperor fish. Long nose emperor. Shimano Shimmer. What's this? Flat fall? Yes. Mosen. Jig Shimano jig from ADT. Shari from Tiwi. Woo! 30 meters deep only. The jig Shimano 80 grams silver. Aywa. Syukuran. We'll drop again this Shimano flat fall 80 grams. Tuna? Dami. Lalaki. Pupunta yan dito. On. Sinalo. Sinalo boss eh.
Ano?
Pababa pa lang, sinalo. Nakalight ako eh.
Ikaw? Baba?
Layo nyo lang, sa may likod lang kayo banda.
Tuna is rounding. No problem.
Layo na.
Papuntahin mo dito ah.
Ito na, sa taas na. Likot. Lapit na. Hindi ko mapersa, nakalight. Putoy. This tuna is strong. Lost. Iwa. Unhook. Oh. No, hook still. Oh. Fish on. Oh, tuna. Tuna. Gaf. Easy lang. 10 meters na lang. Malabad pa eh. Hello. Bigay mo na. May phobia na kami sa unhook.
Oh, dito. Sa kabila, Frank. Uy! Sige lang, sige lang. You have gap? Where's your gap? Where? Where your gap? Why in car? Tuna, tuna. Sige lang, sige lang. Ito na. Yan na. Oh.
Sa buntot. Ha? Akala.
Ito na, ito na. Oo. Oh. Kaya na. Drop. Kinain oh. Kinain yung jig. Nilunok yung jig. Longtail tuna. Sawa from Tiwi again, from Wadi Shab. This sawa from Wadi Shab. It's our jig. Jigman 80 gram silver glow. The tuna bend our jig. See, it bended. Ooh, strong tuna. Let's catch some more. Fish on. Woohoo! Yes. Hindi ko alam. No, hindi to tuna. Nag-shake eh. No. Shaking, too much shaking. Hi. Woohoo! Mashallah. The jig we are using is the Shimano Slow Fall 80 grams. This is the jig we tried from Ahmad Dawood Trading. Oh. Take video, Mosin. Yes. No need video. Baka tuna rin ulit to. Need gaff.
Tuna ba yan bro? Tuna?
Hindi ko alam boss eh, lumalayo eh.
Babaw? Sige, tuna yan.
Tuna.
Saan yung gap? Ikaw na pa. Okay, banatan mo.
Isa pa. Aywa! Oops! Hook kalas! Jig outside! Muntikan pa! Syukran, Frank! See? We almost lost the fish. No more hook. The hook there with the fish mouth. Okay na pare. Thank you pare. Thank you Frank for the gaff. Thank you. Our jigging session finish. The weather become bad and strong winds and the wave is the height of the wave is increasing. So we decided to go. Time check around 11:30 a.m. We started around 5:30. So Total catch, we have 5 long-tailed tuna, local name Sawa. I caught one big emperor fish. Dario caught 2 amberjacks also. So you know, this is a good trip. Ang laki yung sa akin, oh. Oh?
Lima ata si kuya eh. Lima ba?
Akin dalawa. Yun pa. Huwag mo nang tanggalin kasi ibuhos natin itong laman nito dito sa kabila. Oops. Oo. Hawak pa rin. Palagayin lang mamaya. Yung huli natin eh. Oh. Oh, sige.